Wi-Fi connected but no internet access problem. How you can fix this problem? I will show you how to fix the Wi-Fi connected but no internet problem on your iPhone. Let's start it. First you have to just click on your in the top side of the notifications bar. Now you can see here the Wi-Fi options is there. You have to just click on the Wi-Fi and turn off your Wi-Fi, and you have to just enable where airplane mode. Just you can find the airplane mode. You have to just click on the airplane mode for 5 or 10 seconds. After select your airplane mode, you have to just after 10 to 5 seconds you have to just turn off the airplane mode. After turn off the airplane mode, now you have to just see your Wi-Fi will be connected. If there is no internet after doing this setting, then you have to just do the second steps. What is the second steps? Let's get started. Okay, now second step is there. You have to just open your mobile settings. After opening the mobile settings, now you can see here I have the Wi-Fi's options, and just you have to just do the disconnect your Wi-Fi and reconnect it. And one thing remember, where is your Wi-Fi router? You have to just restart your Wi-Fi router, and see your Wi-Fi router is start and power off and power on too. Just you have to just forget your and reconnect your Wi-Fi network. Check iPhone Wi-Fi settings. You have to just reset your network settings on your iPhone. Where is there? I will show you. So you have to just click on the here general options have. Click on the general options. Now you can see here iPhone's more settings available. So now you have to just scroll down and you can find here transfer or reset iPhone. Click on the transfer or reset iPhone, and now you can see reset options is there. Click on the reset options. So now you can find here reset network settings. Click on the reset network settings and just give your iPhone lock, and your Wi-Fi network setting will be resetted. So after doing this method, this last step is there. You have to just turn off your iPhone and turn on it. How it is do? You have to just restart your iPhone. How to restart? You can watch this video and subscribe to the channel Genuine Guide YouTube channel. Thanks for watching the video.